In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a segment step by step in Klaviyo. If you're looking to better target your audiences and enhance your email marketing efforts, then this tutorial is perfect for you. Creating segments allows you to categorize your contacts based on specific criteria, which helps in sending more personalized and effective communications. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to head over to klaviyo.com and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on your dashboard, which is like your main control center. Here you'll notice a menu on the left hand side. From this menu you want to click on Audiences. This section is where you manage your lists and where we'll be focusing on creating your segments today. Once you've clicked on Audiences, you'll see an option for Segments. Go ahead and select that. Segments are what we use to sort our contacts into more specific groups based on the criteria we choose. Now look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a button that says Create List Segment. Click on that button. A window will appear that gives you the choice between creating a list and creating a segment. At this point you want to choose Segment since we're specifically focusing on segmentation in this tutorial. With that sorted, it's time to give your new segment a name. Picking a clear and descriptive name is important so you know exactly what this segment is for at a glance. Try something like Engaged Subscribers Last 30 Days. This naming convention quickly tells you that this group consists of the most engaged subscribers from the past month. Next, you'll want to set the conditions for your segment. Conditions determine which contacts will be included based on specific factors. When setting these conditions, you have two main options: properties about someone and what someone has done or not done. If you're interested in characteristics like location or sign-up source, you'd select properties about someone. However, if you're more interested in actions such as email opens or web clicks, you should opt for what someone has done. Once you have set your conditions, you can click on Preview Segment. This feature allows you to see how many people in your contact list match the criteria you've set. It's an essential step because you want to make sure the segment is capturing the right audience. Take a moment to review the list generated in the preview. This is your chance to ensure that the criteria you've set are indeed identifying the contacts you had in mind. If everything looks good and you've confirmed that your segment is set up correctly, go ahead and click on Create Segment. And there you have it. You've successfully created a segment in Klaviyo. This will allow you to reach out to targeted groups with personalized content, improving your overall marketing efforts. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. Feel free to revisit these steps as needed, and happy segmenting.